Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Leadify review. Alright, well first of all, I do apologize for my voice. It's probably not sounding that great. I'm a little bit under the weather, but still showing up because there's nothing like a real review, yeah? Well, yesterday I uploaded a review of Leadify done by Pictory, just for fun, just to give you guys a comparison between a so-called review and a real review. Okay, see the difference. And yeah, I mean, this is what's going on, unfortunately, okay? And obviously, I'm gonna rename the other video because it's not a review. It was a joke from my side. I recently got a, professional, the pro account of Pictory, and I'm using it actually to something cool for this I like, okay, those podcast reviews done, yes, by artificial intelligence, but the voices are good because they come from Notebook LM. Of course, it's not like they don't have a choice of different voices. It is what it is for now. Hopefully they will add some more voices to Notebook LM. As you can see, this I've created quite a few podcast reviews with this method. And why am I jumping straight into Notebook LM? Well, because this is what Leadify is precisely all about. Okay, guys? This is the members area. I'll show you around. It is the newest launch by Fergal Downs, Max Gerstenmaier, and Stephanie Hayes. This is Fergal. So the training course, sweet and short. This is Fergal's style, okay? Straight to the point. It's like this guy does not beat around the bush, that's for sure. And yeah, he put the training course together, and the rest of the vendors are these guys. Okay, I like Max a lot. He very often launches with James Renouf. Great vendor, okay? And Fergal, I do appreciate him for his concise, straight to the point, no BS, straight talk, okay? He shows you the method. He doesn't get carried away, as one does. It's okay if you do, but yet you still keep your so-called rambling, like myself, interesting, okay? I mean, like, it's what you say and how you say it, of course, but everybody's got their own unique style, and I like that. I like this uniqueness that, everybody's an individual. And as I said, nothing like a real review, okay? Okay, guys, I'll show you around the members area, but ultimately you will be learning how to do so-called podcast reviews using Notebook LM. The creation process is pretty straightforward, but you do need to be guided. Now, this is not the first training course about this method. Of course, every vendor delivers it a bit differently. Like, if I compare this training course to another one by Andreas Quintana that I went through, well, implemented, as you can see, because these are my podcasts, and in one of my bonuses, I created 2 very high quality custom-made bonuses, and there are more on my written review. So go check out that written review where you will find all of the information about the product, the funnel, okay, and the bonuses. All of the bonuses I give you guys. The first two and the last one are custom made by me. In fact, the first 2 are video tutorials. So I watched the content of this training course and I was like, okay, this is what I would add to it. This is how I do it. So you see, guys, I gave you also in this tutorial, let me take you to the, alright, so here it is. This is how I create YouTube title, description, tags should be tags, hashtags, thumbnail for podcast videos with Notebook LM. So it's about, how long? 19 minutes tutorial. So I'm showing you the process of how I do it, okay, how I optimize the title and all of that. I use ChatGPT, and then I also show you how I use CArt.ai combined with ChatGPT to create a cool thumbnail and then further change it up with Canva. So it's my perspective, the way I do it, okay? And yeah, so as I said, I've already got quite a few of such videos uploaded on my YouTube channel. Go check them out if you wish. Right guys, so that's only one of my bonuses. The other one will be about channel customization, because I thought I would give it to you. Okay, I do happen to know how to optimize and customize a YouTube channel, as I've been running mine for close to 4 years, okay, and it ranks pretty okay. But I thought I would add this sort of bonus tutorial, well, sort of a video bonus tutorial done by me, because Fergal doesn't go through that, okay. He shows you how to quickly upload to YouTube, but as to what hashtags, what tags, what title, what description, and the whole channel customization, apart from uploading a specific video, okay, onto the channel, is, as he put, beyond the scope of this training course. This training course is sweet and short to the point. So you get the overview of the method, creating the podcast using Notebook LM, then the text transcript, because you will need to get the transcript. You see, like if I open up this one, I would then have to go and get that transcript. Okay, it's got to load. When it loads, I'll be able to get the transcript, and then it is MP3, right? So then we'll have to change that into a script. I'll show you how what I mean by that in my Pictory account, okay, and how I create these videos. So you would then take that script, go to Pictory, go to projects, create a new project. Okay, as you can see, I've got quite a few projects already. Text to video. You'd paste in that text you get from the platform that converts the podcast, okay, the MP3. It's not really MP3, it's another format. I forgot what it's called, but it transcribes that into text. Okay, that's it. So yeah, and then you would use Pictory. Now, guys, if you can, with the Pictory, it's a paid tool. You do get 2 weeks free trial. You can create up to 3 videos, up to 15 minutes long, I believe, and then that's it. You need to upgrade. There are coupons, okay, I got the professional one, I got the yearly one, and I paid for the yearly one around $250, okay. But I have a lot of plans to do with Pictory. The support is great. You can even have a call, like with one of the, I don't know what you call them, moderators, you know, the staff, the support, and you tell them how you want to use this platform. I know how I want to use it. I want to repurpose and fancy up sort of my own videos, okay? I don't want to create only AI generated content. I will use it for podcasts because I find them cool. I really do like this method, so I'll carry on with that. It's fun. It's even fun for me to listen to those podcasts. What these guys come up with. It's fun. And plus you can customize it, like if you go to Notebook LM, you see, before you create, okay, I would have to create a new podcast to show you what it's like, but once you've downloaded the sources, you want Notebook LM to create a podcast around, based on the sources, and there's all kinds of sources you can upload. I upload my videos as well. I upload the sales page. I upload my written review, and I customize it. I train this bot, because it's really a bot, AI bot, right? To talk about me as well. Okay, like Sylvia has tried this product, blah blah blah, and she was happy. So it's cool stuff you can do. But from here you go and download it. Okay, so there you go. Right, what was my point? I forgot. Anyhow, guys, so that's the method. And then going back to the training course, I feel like I'm kind of jumping from one topic to another. I'm not feeling 100%, so forgive me for my exceptionally chaotic style. But at the same time, I always go with the flow. It's like, frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. Alright, so here we create a podcast using Notebook LM. Then we get the transcript, video creation using Pictree. Oh, I know, I was talking about Pictree. So yeah, you can do that, but you can also do it for free. If you got the training by Andreas Quintana about this method as well, but from a slightly different angle, he also shows you the free method. It's more labor, yeah, intense, it's more manual work, but it can be done for free using CapCut, okay? And then you get the scenes from platforms like, it's on the tip of my tongue, platforms like where you get the copy free write pictures and videos. It will come, but I just sort of like forgot, starting with a P as well. Never mind. Jolly good show. Okay, so yeah, with the video creation, you either use not podcast, Pictory, or you can use CapCut. Okay, that's good too. So uploading video, that's sweet and short to the point. Again, Fergal does not sweat around how to customize and optimize the YouTube channel and even the video itself. That's why my bonus will come to the rescue, because I go above and beyond on how to get the right title using ChatGPT, description, hashtag, blah, 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 even the thumbnail. And yeah, so guys, my bonus will be very, very valuable, trust me, okay? Because it's coming straight from the horse's mouth, from someone who's actually implementing this method as well. So yeah, I'm sharing my experience and my perspective with you in that bonus tutorial. And then Buzzsprout is a platform where you can share your podcast, okay, up to a certain limit for free, and then you can upgrade if you wish. But that platform is sort of like a middleman. Like, for self-publishing, there is this platform that's like a middleman as well, and sharing your books across various other platforms, not only Amazon, KDP, libraries, if you may, okay? So there are platforms like that. And yeah, so take advantage of that. Follow this tutorial. That's good. You can outsource the whole process. Fergal talks about how to just train your virtual assistant and they can do the job for you, okay? So using platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, this can be done if you cannot be bothered, okay? And they have a very good bonus as well. Actually, this bonus is called Leadify. And that's actually like a Google Chrome extension. It's a product by Stephanie Hayes and her father, Tony Hayes. Very good vendor too, okay? So that helps you with lead generation. So you can use that. Obviously, you would use these videos. Why do they call it Leadify? Leadify indicates that it will help you generate leads. It will. It's a free method, Below in the description box, below those videos, you can put in your opt-ins, your capture pages, okay, to your lead magnets, this and that, and this is where you grow your email list, so you ultimately are getting the leads, okay? And that would be targeted audience as well, because let's say if you want to make those podcasts in make money online niche, but you don't have to stick to that. You can make them in health niche, wealth relationship, health, wealth, relationships, the main niches, right? The main markets, I would even say. So it's up to you, but make it around one niche and ideally a sub niche. So something narrow down, okay? Don't spread yourself too thin, because you're gonna end up as a pancake. And I guess there are better ways to live your life, not as a pancake. Right, guys, I am starting to talk nonsense, so anyhow, I'll sum it up. Cool method, great method, I do it myself, okay? So go check out my written review, go through the funnel, see what you like, pick what you like, leave what you don't like. Quite a few cool upsells too. Read my review if that's for you, and you pick it up from my link, so through my written review. If you go to my written review, the link below, and click through one of the so-called call to action buttons, you will end up on the sales page. And from the sales page, just click here, join, going live in just over 5 hours. And then, yeah, this is the way to purchase it. And check out all of the bonuses I have for you, custom made. Most of them will complement this product beautifully. Alright then guys, so that's it. I'm going, because I'm not my usual top billing. I think I'm gonna listen to the song I'm Going Slightly Mad from Freddie Mercury, the one and only. What an artist, huh? Okay. Right guys, love you and leave you, bye.